So. Schon scheint es wieder. Wie man sieht. Wieder nice Umbauten da. Da ist dann abends noch die Party drin. Ja, das ist wieder mal direkt bei uns in der Town. Really nice truck. Und gleich kommen wir dann noch zu dem Truck Pulling. Werden wir natürlich auch mit dabei sein mit der Kamera.
There she comes, that's working good. Alrighty, give him as he's bouncing. There we go. Oh, he's pulling another gear. She's not gonna like. Oh! Okay, coming to a stop. Okay, got a good pull going so far. There we are. Good, good, good. Josh, well, good, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, he's going to get hit. He's going to get tagged. Zero. And here we go, our next competitor coming down the track is Tyler Sergey, driving his Kenworth. Alrighty, this is his uncle's truck, and I'm going to tell you, this truck works. Trying to get some speed with it. We'll see what he can do. Still gaining speed. He's got a good pull going. Look at the speed he's got mid-track. This thing's flying. Sled's coming up. It's going to hit it pretty hard, but it's going to be in that 300. So this is Joe Vanier. Ladies and gentlemen, Joe Vanier. That's definitely Joe Vanier. We don't know who anybody else is, but this is Joe Vanier. He's got a good pull going. He's going right up through the end. I think we're going to have a new leader right there. Give a big round of applause. Paul standing on the sidelines, watching, making sure he doesn't pump the clutch too soon. Oh, she's starting to build some speed. Well, the mid-track speed's not that great. There we go. Real heavy unit from GTU International, doing a great job of it. We'll get you weight of an entire Honda Civic. Just one of those is going to be the weight of an entire Honda Civic. So 4 wheels at this point. He's trying to get her all back in, but these things can do what's called crab walking. When they do crab walking, it means that they can turn all 4 wheels at once, not just the front or not just the rear. They can turn all 4. It gets a little bit confusing when you're backing up into a kind of precise spot. And look at his wheels. His wheels are going the opposite way again. There we go. So usually what happens is you have a steering wheel for the front wheels and a joystick for the rear wheels. And what you can do is you can turn the front wheels and then start to just tap that joystick a little bit. The joystick will turn the rear wheels a little bit. Then you can tap back. And then I don't know how he's got this one set up. In the early 90s, Honda came out with a Accord that had 4-wheel steering. It was one of the first production vehicles that actually had that style of steering and chain case. And most of these guys will put their drop box in from a very well-known manufacturer that says it's unbreakable. It's a 10-spline unit. Here we go. Out of the hole and a nice run down and through. show you what I was talking about with where the string goes. Duncan, just hold it right there for a second, will you? There's a big aluminum box in the center here. It's called a drop box. Basically, you join the back end of the transmission and you drop everything down. That way you can come out with the front axle and the rear axle on these. Just hold it right there for a second, will you, Duncan? Is he good? Can he hold it there for 1 sec? I'm just going to walk in here. So right here, this is where all your strain goes. That's why he has a great big chunk of steel here to hold this box. These guys have the particular distinction, this particular box, that they have never, ever broken one in competition. So this is what I was talking about when they were coming off with. This is an SCS box, and they say in competition, not one of their boxes has ever broken. So that's why guys like this use it. They're extremely expensive. Inside is a set of gears that you can change the ratio as you go. So you don't have to change the front and the rear. You can actually just change the gears inside there. Looks like a lot of fun. All right, we'll get you a distance on Funky Cloudworthy. Chris Cobus, Joe Vanier, and I didn't memorize the other one, sorry. I don't actually locate. In this truck when we did the race to mile at Smith Falls. This thing is extremely fast. Got all kinds of power. It's starting to light, starting to light, starting to light. Come on, Grayson, you can get her to go. Get her to go. What we're doing today, okay? That black smoke, that's horsepower. Front wheel drive, that's what you get when you go from 338 feet. Well, that's a lot of clutch. There we go. Salute, best for last, folks. Here we go. Oh! Okay, he didn't go 75 feet, so he can try that again. That's one of those rules that we work on. He can choose it. That's working, that's working, that's working. Here we go. Nice! Alrighty, give him a big round. He's walking around Brad Catacomb, folks. Here we go. see the purple heads on it, but you're right, it's probably two 670s. I just want to see whether it is rotary, it's not rotary, Rotax, or not. We're just getting... Oh yeah, you can see the rain valves on the exhaust. Okay. If you were here earlier, we were talking about what these guys are going to do, so... Just one of those engines will make about 220 cubes. I think this one is 540 cubes. Between 100 and 200. Guess how much he wins today? If he wins, about $200. So do you do it for fun because you want to come out and be the best, or do you do it because you're putting on a show? You certainly don't do it for the money. Here we go. Mike Wilson from Nickelville, New York. His girlfriend looking on, looking excited. Big front coming your way. Suddenly the sun is blocked out. That's okay. He's running apples and oranges. Nothing but environment is an heat wave. The mark to beat 330 feet. Let's Phil come in. Easy does it. Easy does it. There we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! All right, somebody tell him he doesn't have to go. Okay, there we are. Oh, that's definitely all ready to fly down the track. Patrick Simpson, he's got to sidestep the clutch a little bit, slip it out just a bit, but build the boost. Get this truck going, but don't spin it too much. Way out of the hole, here we go. John Strucker from Rockland, Ontario. Oh, and he's got the horn going too. This truck works pretty good. Lots of weight. Weight moves weight, folks. The heavier you are, the further you go. You know, a piece of iron, it's staying where it is. Water will tend to move as you move forward. Here we go. The mark to beat, 237.49. Oh, she shifted on you. Uh-oh. Duncan Clotworthy. Nice job down the track. We'll get you distance on him. 282.34. 282.34. Duncan. That's over. You're retired, fella.
Well, that wraps up our poll for this year. Let's give a round of applause to our announcer, Mark. And all the track staff and the girls writing all the distances down. This couldn't be so smooth without all the help of everybody on the track and the pits. It's goes real smooth. And thank you all for coming.